put something into standard form, we're going to focus on this piece right here. So what I'm going to do is subtract 4 and not worry about that right now. So f of x minus 4 equals x squared minus 10x. So what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square. And for us to do that, we're going to take half of whatever the x term is. So half is 5. And negative 5 squared is 25. What I do to the right hand side, I also have to add to the left hand side. So what I have left over right now is f of x plus 21 equals x minus 5 squared. So my last step here is to subtract 21, and f of x equals x minus 5 squared minus 21, and that's standard form. The purpose for standard form is to find the vertex really simple, and the vertex of this graph is the opposite of the x term, so positive 5, negative 21. But we know this is not the only way to find the vertex, so I'm going to send you another video of how to find the vertex or put it into standard form working backwards. But until then, let's try another problem. Again, we're going to focus on this piece right here, so we're going to subtract the 1 to the other side. And we cannot do anything when there's a coefficient in front of the x, so we're going to factor that out. So if I divide a 2 out only of these two pieces, I'm left with an x squared plus 10x, and I'm going to complete the square with this piece. Okay, so now I can go to my next step. 2 is the stretch. I'm going to complete the square. X, half of this term, which is 5. 5 squared is 25. Now, where we have to be careful is we didn't just add 25 to the right-hand side. If I distribute this, I'm really adding 50 to the right-hand side. So I also have to add 50 to the left-hand side. So I have f of x plus 49 equals the other piece. Next, I'm going to subtract 49 back to this side. So I have f of x equals 2 x plus 5 squared minus 49. From here, I can state that my vertex is the opposite of this, so negative 5, negative 49.